We ask that every time students log into SchooLinks for these activities, that they update your profile or resume, update the experience tracker, and check any upcoming events. I'll go over where to find all of that information in this presentation. The first thing is for students to update their resume and profile. Students can find this when clicking on the careers right here, the suitcase looking thing on the left-hand side of SchooLinks. You will see on the drop-down that you're given the option to choose My Profile Resume. When you click that, you have the option to update or change your post-secondary goal, your career goal, college goal, and your major or training goal. Some things that I would suggest doing during this time is adding any experience. You can update your strengths, things you're proud of, interest, hobby, job, internship in the experience section, along with any bragging rights, which includes awards, achievements, skills, and then along with any academics, such as test scores, education, credentials. Having all of this information will help when it comes time to create an official resume. Students, take some time now to update this information, and teachers, pause the video here. Once students have completed this, you may press play. The second thing for students to complete is the experience tracker. You can find this by going to the school or Apple symbol on the left-hand side on SchooLinks and choose Experience Tracker. Here you have the option to choose Community Service along with any employment. Once you click, you can put in the organization name, the start date, or the range of dates, how much time you spent there, what you did, who your supervisor was, and any points of contact. It will be similar for the consistent employment. This information is important to add since it gets reported to the state. This is where we'll be able to determine if students are college and career ready or distinguished bulldogs. Students, take some time now to update this information, and teachers, please pause the video here. Once students have completed this section, you may press play. The last thing we would like you to do every time you log into SchooLinks is checking the events at Grant. You can do this by going to your student dashboard. So just by clicking this S, you'll get back to the student dashboard. At the top, you'll see events. You can click on the events and you should be able to see everything that is scheduled here at Grant. This will be changing. It could be changing daily, weekly, so make sure that you're checking back for any events that we have scheduled. Once you click on an event, you will have the option to register if that's something that you're interested in attending. We encourage students to sign up for these events. If you have any questions about any of these activities, feel free to reach out to your counselor or Mrs. Masura, the College and Career Counselor.